ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಪಿಸಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖಂಡರುಗಳು ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರಸಾರ.
So with let me take this opportunity. Hello. This is also not working. Hello. Let me take this opportunity to first welcome Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah ji, our former PCC President Dinesh Gundu Rao ji, Abhishek Dutt ji, Ramesh Babu ji and all my journalist friends. Before we start the press conference today, I want to show you a video and then we will start. Can we start the videos please, Mr. Naidu?
महंगाई कम करेंगे
पूरा
कहा था ना डीजल का क्या हुआ? पेट्रोल का क्या हुआ? मित्रों, गैस हो, पेट्रोल हो, डीजल हो, हर प्रकार से महंगाई बढ़ रही नहीं बढ़ रही है?
तो वो भी
अच्छा, आपको ये याद है? लोग भूल जाते हैं, इसलिए याद करा। मुझे बताइए,
हाँ
अगर इसी प्रकार से महंगाई बढ़ती गई तो गरीब क्या खाएगा? आज प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ आए थे, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री महंगाई का मां बोलने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, महंगाई का मां बोलने के लिए तैयार नहीं। इनका अहंकार इतना है, महंगाई के लिए शब्द बोलने को तैयार नहीं है। मरो तो मरो, आपका नसीब। अरे गरीब के घर में चूल्हा नहीं जलता है, बच्चा रात रात रोता है, माँ आंसू पी के सोती है, और देश के नेताओं को गरीब की परवाह करते हैं। महंगाई कम हुई कम? जरा ये मेरी बंजारा बहनें बैठिए, बताइए हुई कम?
Is from Karnataka.
हुई कम?
Davangere.
आप महिलाओं के बीच आते हो, तो इसका तो जवाब दो कि महंगाई क्यों कम नहीं हो रही है?
Thank you. I think this is enough.
So will you like to start? You start.
Namaskara friends. The price of petrol and diesel today, as we got up in the morning, were increased by 2 rupees 71 paisa a litre. The second news was the price of crude oil has gone down, has dropped drastically. It has fallen below $100 a barrel to $98.6 a barrel. These are the two lines that attracted the attention of my Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, as also every single brothers and sisters of Karnataka, every single Kannadiga and every single countryman. BJP या Bele Erikea Bere. Am I pronouncing it correct, sir?
Bele Erike.
Yeah. BJP या Bele Erike Bale. So the petrol crosses rupees 110 for the first time in Bengaluru after 78 years of independence. There is a total of 57 lakh crore, don't be surprised, we'll just prove it. 57 lakh crore loot by BJP in last 12 years. Everyday fuel loot is pickpocketing the pockets of common man, the common Kannadiga. Friends, the last 11 days have been catastrophic on the pockets and budget of the salaried class, farmers, businessmen, homemakers, small businessmen, common persons. with the Union BJP government unleashing fuel loot by raising the price of petrol and diesel 4 times in 11 days and now raising it total by 7 rupees 52 paisa a litre in last 11 days. This back-breaking fleecing and defrauding of Kannadigas by the BJP is unpardonable. Perhaps it was a return gift given by Nitin Nabeenji, the national BJP president, who came and ate nice things over breakfast yesterday so as to give the return gift of fuel price hike to Kannadigas today. The anger of the ordinary people against brazen loot and pickpocketing is today manifesting in different forms in our society that we are seeing, both physically as also over social media, with new organizations finding space. But BJP remains immune to the misery of the people and mocks it every day by raising prices and making it impossible to carry on with livelihoods. The loot of the people does not end with the prices of petrol and diesel alone, but it is now manifesting itself in the unprecedented hikes in the prices of domestic LPG gas, commercial LPG gas, FTL cylinder, what BJP used to call Chotu cylinder for our sisters and mothers, CNG prices, PNG prices, and consequently heralding a unprecedented increase.
ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಕುರಿತಂತೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರು ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ರೋಷಾವೇಶವನ್ನು ತೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಿಡಿಕಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಚ್ಚಾ ತೈಲ ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಚ ಇಳಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.